B example here to go with example 2. Find the vertices, foci, and asymptotes again of the hyperbola 9y squared minus 7x squared equals 63. And then we are sketching the graph. So just like our last one, notice right away our equation doesn't equal 1. We need to make that happen. Divide both sides by 63. 9y squared over 63 ends up being y squared over 7. Minus 7x squared over 63 is x squared over 9 equals 1. So based off of this information and the fact that my y squared comes first, that tells me we have a vertical hyperbola. And this first number tells me where my vertices are. So again, we need our vertices, our foci, and our asymptotes. Vertices are going to be at the square root of 7 and negative square root of 7. It's vertical. So those points are 0 plus or minus square root of 7. And the square root of 7 is 2 point, let me check, closer to 3. 2.6. Okay, so I'll plot those points on here. 2.6, 0, negative 2.6. And this 9, the square root of 9 is 3. Okay. That 3 tells us the width of our central rectangle. I'm drawing that central rectangle in here. Draw in the asymptotes. Which lets me draw in my hyperbola the rest of the way. Okay, we're almost done. Just have to figure out our equation for the asymptotes. And remember that our asymptotes rise over run. Since it's diagonal, y equals, well, we went up the square root of 7 and over 3. So square root of 7 over 3x. It's not the nicest thing, not the nicest looking equation in the world, but that's the equation of our line. And also y equals negative square root of 7 over 3x. That's the equation of our asymptotes. Now the foci, again, we have that right triangle thing going on. Our vertex, the origin, and our b value make our right triangle. So this length is the square root of 7. This length we know is 3. This length, our hypotenuse, is also the length out to our focus, wherever that is. Use your Pythagorean theorem. Square root of 7 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared. And that puts our focus at plus or minus 4. So 0 plus or minus 4, the location of our foci. All right, we got a lot of stuff going on there. I guess really last thing is to make sure you have that point plotted. 0, 4, 0, -4 are our foci.